2. Rhonda said, I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today I have a double Ipsy unboxing. One is from July last month. Yes, because this is August. From July that never came. So, and this is my other, well, these are both Boxycharms from Ipsy. So we're gonna get in here and see what's what. Since my box disappeared in the mail system, they just pick stuff for me at random based on my profile. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna like or want any of the stuff in this box because I didn't get to choose anything. And you go like this, and you go like this. And there's 2 things in here. That's fucked up. It's fucked up. This is supposed to be a full box. And all I have is some gold sheet masks and the Rodile brightening cleanser. I'm gonna have to get in touch with Ipsy because that's just not cool at all. No bueno. No bueno. That is fucked up. So let's get into this one's Boxycharm. And this, I know what's in here. I'm still fucked up about this July thing. That's so not cool. And this is a box full of stuff. Box full. That's what we want to see, is a box full of stuff, not just 2 items for the last month. And they did give me a partial credit, but I'm supposed to be getting a full box of stuff, not just 2 things. So that's wrong. Very wrong. Oh, I'm upset about that. So first off, we have, because this is like $28.99 plus handling, so it's over $30 for the box. Even with partial credit, I should get more than 2 things. That's just disappointing. Anyway, this August box, Murad's Environmental Shield Essential C Toner. I've been getting so many toners lately that it's ridiculous. And let's take a look at it. And this toner is $42. And it is a nice hefty plastic bottle full of toner. I mean, I've only got one face. How many toners do I freaking need? Oh, this looks really, oh, look at this. That's super cute. That's from Pat McGrath. And that is, I love it. It is a lippy, and it is in Nocturnal Amour. And this is supposed to be a matte lipstick. Ooh, Pat McGrath stuff is always so beautiful. And this is a $32 lippy. Ooh, look at that color. That's a beautiful color. Ooh, very pretty. Very pretty. And I'm sorry you guys haven't seen much of me lately. I just got over COVID. My knee is extremely painful. It's not doing too bad right this minute, so I'm glad that I can make some videos. Look at that. This is like a stain. That is like a freaking stain. So that'll be good. So even if it wears off, you're going to still have color in your mouth. which is great. We have from Touch and Soul the No Problem primer. It's a really good primer. It is an excellent primer, and this is $18. But I got so many primers open right now. Suki, so many primers. And then I ordered this. This is an add-on, and this is from Commodity. This is the gold perfume. This is $12, and this is a travel size, which is fantastic. And Commodity makes some of my favorite perfumes right now. And then something that's in the box is my absolute favorite perfume right now, and it's Salt by Ellis Brooklyn, and I've got the full size of this. That's how much I love this perfume. I have the full size in my living room, and this is just fantastic. And I don't need to spray it because I know how amazing it smells, and I can keep that in my purse or travel with it or whatever I want to do. Put it behind my ear. My ear's not really big enough to sustain that, but you know, that's like $32 for that perfume. And then last but not least, we have Berries and Cream Dreams from Violet Voss. And the Violet Voss palette is $32. Oh, this is really beautiful. That's gorgeous. And I'm probably gonna put it for sale on Mercari, but it's super duper nice. I love it. Very cool. So today's total for the Boxycharm for August is $161, which is great for a $30 investment. So we got the palette, we got the add-on perfume, we got the other perfume that came with the box, we have the vitamin C toner, we have a lip fetish, liquid lip, and the No Problem primer. So this is really very good, and this box was great. I'm still tripping over this. This is ridiculous. But that is it for this video. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.